Hey Brian, are you excited for the new movie that we're about to watch?
You bet I am. I've been looking forward to this movie for weeks.
Same here. Well, what are we waiting for? Let's start this movie.
Mike.
What's up, Brian?
You might wanna pause the movie and take a look at the lights.
Oh, okay. What the hell?
Isn't that weird? The lights just suddenly turned blue.
Okay, that's definitely not normal. Here's what we're going to do, you keep an eye on the lights while I go and call up the rest of the EAS crew about this, okay?
Okay, got it.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Newark Police Department. At 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there have been multiple reports about lights in several neighborhoods suddenly turning a bright blue color. The lights affected include, but are not limited to, street lights, house lights, and building lights. It is unknown what is causing this phenomenon, but authorities are working on fixing this issue. If the lights in your house or street suddenly turn blue, please dial 911 or your local police department. Continue to monitor your local media outlets for more information.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Newark Police Department. At 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there have been multiple reports about a huge riot that is taking place in downtown Newark. It is unknown what exactly is causing these riots, but it is believed that this has something to do with the blue lights situation. If you see any rioters, keep a safe distance away. And dial 911 and authorities will come and deal with the rioters. Do not participate in the riots, as doing so will lead to an arrest. Stay tuned to the station for more information on this ongoing situation.
Good evening everyone, thanks for tuning into our unnamed news channel. Right now, we have just received updates about the riot that took place in downtown Newark. We recently interviewed a family member of one of the rioters, who wishes to remain anonymous, and we got some information about why these people are participating in this riot. It has been revealed that the reason why this happened is because of the blue light situation that was reported a few hours ago and is still ongoing. These people were terrified of anything that could possibly happen during the situation, and it seems like that their fear got the better of them. There have also been many reports of people spreading rumors about the blue lights on social media. These social media outlets include, but are not limited to, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, and TikTok. If you see any rumors on social media, do not pay attention to it, as it's most likely false. If anybody in your house starts freaking out about the blue lights, try to calm them down, and refrain them from doing anything that could put them or anyone else in danger. Once again, thanks for tuning in, and stay safe out there.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the
Eric, out of my spot, now.
Paul, can't you see I'm busy over here?
That besides the point. Eric, I the one that's supposed to do the administrative message, not you. You the one that's supposed to do the behind-the-scenes work.
But Paul, I want to do the message. I almost never get to do it. Let me do what I want.
Did you not hear me the first time? Get the fuck out of my spot right now.
Shut up. You're not the boss of me. I can do whatever the hell I want.
Well, if that's the case, then come catch these hands.
That.
I'm probably going to get fired for that. Anyways, I apologize for the inconvenience everyone, we will be moving on now. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Newark Police Department. The situation with the blue lights is finally being resolved. It has been revealed that the cause of the lights turning blue was the result of an electrical problem that occurred within the city. Authorities have found the source and are currently working on fixing the issue. All residents are free to continue with their daily lives, you just have to deal with blue lights for a while. We thank you for your cooperation during this event. Normal programming may now resume regularly.
Seriously? I thought we were done. Anyways, the following message has been transmitted at the request of whoever the fuck it was. There have been many reports of another riot that is taking place in the neighborhoods of Newark. A lot of reports have also said that a lot of these rioters were fighting each other for some odd reason. Apparently, these fuckers don't know how to be decent human beings. All residents are strongly advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. And for the love of God, do not participate in the hellhole that these monsters have created, because no one wants to deal with more people wanting to fuck the whole city up. Continue to monitor your local media outlets for more information on this situation. Or don't. I really don't give a shit at this point.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Newark Police Department along with the Fire Department. Just a few minutes ago, multiple fires have started in neighboring areas. We believe that the fires were caused by the riots that have been happening. All residents in Newark are strongly advised to evacuate immediately. Refusing to do so will put your life in great danger and may result in injury or death. Make sure to take supplies with you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies. At this point I think you know what supplies you need. Tie a white or bright colored towel to your doorknob or mailbox. This will let authorities know that you have followed the evacuation procedures. It is unknown when the situation will be under control, but in the meantime, do not enter the city until the all clear is given. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
All clear. I repeat, all clear. The following message has been transmitted at the request of, once again, the Newark Police Department. The situation revolving the riots has finally ended, about damn time. Anyways, all residents are now safe to return to your homes. However, there is noticeable damage to the city, so travel with caution. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. All normal programming may now resume regularly.